We're changing the jack out on this today. It's a 5,000 pound, it might be a 7,000 pound jack, but I'm gonna change it out to a 10K. We're gonna weld it on. All right, don't die is in. Come on. And jack's out. Let's see if I can get this thing in here. How frustrating. There we go. Alright, we are going to mark so I can grind the powder coating off. Got enough to weld to the bottom. And it comes out one more time. I cleaned off the paint so I can weld everything. Sand it down, bare metal, get it back up and in. This plate is 7 inches, 3 1/2, 4 inches, 2 inches. And I got welder set up. Need to tack this straight. Top and bottom is welded. I'm going to do the sides. Jack is all welded out. There's the weld, nice and beautiful. Let's do the bottom. Bottom's all nice and welded, and I just stitch welded the sides. That's not going anywhere. This stuff is the best spray paint. Painted and installed. Let's see if I can get in here. Oh, crackers. Aha, I got it. I bought this little kit today. I have the other one, but this one just came in clutch. I had to get the 5/16 self-tapper in there. I got it in there with this. Let's get everything back together. Breakaway switch. Breakaway needs another lanyard, so I'll throw one of those on there for him. 7-way mount. Locked in. I'm gonna zip tie this here. Those are zip tie it here. That's how it was. I just cut the wire last time. There's a little wire brace. This right here. I was holding the 7-way plug up. I'll use zip ties this time. 2 zip ties should suffice. Snip. Snip. Bend down so no one gets nailed. Go. Breakaway lanyard out, matches. New lanyard going in. There's the broken one. And spring return drop leg jack. Super nice. Usually go to the 3rd hole. 3rd hole is the best because it can come all the way up, come all the way down, and you can still get your ball on and then pull this. If you go any shorter, you're cranking long. If you go any taller, sometimes your jack doesn't actually come down on the ball. And handle going on. A little bit more tight. It's like half a turn. There we go. Nope. Yep, perfect. Misses the box and everything. Sweet. Pull it. Stores right behind the jack. Awesome. Almost forgot to put the 7-way holder back. Checking lights. Tail lights are on. Yes. Yes, all the way down the back. Yes. All lights work. This must be one of their new trailers because all the lights are still attached. All lights and wiring on this one for markers is good. Left turn's on and working. I got good clicks. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on. I got good clicks. Right turn is on and working. All lights and wiring work on this one. New jack on the front. IPA Tools 9101. Help me out on this. This job's done. New drop leg 10,000 pound jack. Everything's welded out. Everything's secure. Everything's painted. It's 7,000 pound all thread stripped out. So I just cut everything off, welded this one on. This job's done. I'm on to the next.